Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Accompany Me Home on your XPeng vehicle. So, I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now you guys can go over and open up your vehicle settings. Here we're going to go to lights, and in the lights we have Accompany Me Home feature. We can turn it on, and of course we can delay the turning off time by 30 seconds, 60, or 15. So here we can change it. I'm a big fan of 15 seconds, and that's how you guys can enable it. Now to disable it, you just tap the switch off, and you cannot control these settings anymore. And once you enable it, you can. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.